Hello guys, welcome back one more time to the Una Spanish School. My name is Lu and today we're gonna make these amazing patacones with guacamole. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You need to try this. You need to try this. So, okay, let's stop eating and talking and let's go. Let's do it. Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna use. I'm gonna show you the ones that we are gonna need for the guacamole and the ones that we're gonna use for los patacones. Okay, so for the guacamole, we're gonna use one aguacate. Vamos a usar un limón, cilantro, este es opcional, pero le da un toque. This gives like a really nice taste to the guacamole, so you can also have this option. We're gonna use some chiles, like this, chile, tomates, you can use red or you can use green. It doesn't matter, like it's up to you which one you prefer. Right now I only have this one, so we're gonna use these ones. I also like to use something sweet for the guacamole, so I'm gonna use this mango, half a mango is almost the same in Spanish, and half an onion. Esto es una cebolla, so this is like the size that you need to have for this. We're also going to add a little bit of aceite de oliva and balsámico, okay? Vinagre balsámico. For the tools that we're gonna use for this recipe is a mortero. You can also use a plate and a fork. Later on, I'm gonna explain you this step. And that's it. A plate or something where to put the guacamole. Now, for los patacones, we're gonna use 2 plátanos, these ones. You can use like more rib plátanos if you want, or you can use these ones. Normally we do them with this kind of plátano that is like between green and yellow. And we're gonna use some pimienta negra and sal. And we're gonna use a lot of this. That is aceite de girasol. As tools, we're gonna use a plastic bag. This one is really important for this process, guys. Now it's a plastica, we need to use this. And we're gonna use a plate. We're gonna need a plate to give them the flat form. And we're gonna use this also. I like to do them really thin, so this is gonna help us. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave you on the comments or somewhere in the video. I'm gonna leave you all the ingredients and the tools that we're gonna use for each recipe, so don't worry about that. For now, we're gonna start with the patacón. Primero vamos a pelarlos. And then we're gonna cut them in slices of 3 centimeters, kind of, because we're gonna cut them later with a plate. Okay, guys, now that we have our plátanos already cut and in the proper size, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper, pimienta negra. This is pimienta negra. gonna add some sal. And we're gonna squeeze a lemon. This juice is gonna help us to make them more crispy. That's the texture that we want, so we're gonna accomplish that with this lemon, okay? Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna rest them for at least 10 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them. We're gonna need a pan. It needs to be tall, a little bit tall, like this at least. Okay, now it's hot. Do you see the smoke? It is hot. I haven't added the oil, el aceite. Now I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so just to have the reference, it needs to be like this. See, 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters of oil. Vamos a ver, tienen que tener mucho cuidado. You need to be really careful with this because it's gonna salpicar aceite. Okay, so you use one of these ones and you use something like this to cover yourself and you put that. Okay. Si quieres hacer roja. Alright guys, so the part of fritarlos needs to be really quick. If not, you're gonna want something like this. It's still gonna be really good like this, but just be careful with the time. Be alert. It's like in some seconds it can be like this brown, so you need to be there all the time. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna need this bolsa plástica. We're gonna take a plátano, example this one. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna cover it like this, and we're gonna use a plate. We're gonna use a plate like this. We need this part, and we're gonna squeeze it. Okay. Gonna be something like this. I like it more flat, so why? Be gentle with it. If not, it's gonna break. Just be gentle and roll it. Okay, gonna be something like this. Look. You're gonna put this. This here, and now let's go. We're gonna fry it again. We're gonna leave it here until we notice that it is crispy, like this one. Should be like this. we already have our patacones ready. Look at these guys. They're awesome. They look great. Now, well, this is also something really important. We need to use this. This is, we call it this papel de cocina. And this will help us to absorb the excess of oil from the patacon, okay? We're gonna leave them like this. Meanwhile, we're gonna start doing our guacamole. Voy a dejar de decir ok, solamente digo ok, va a estar para el guacamole. Entonces, para el guacamole, we're gonna use 2 tomatoes this size, and vamos a rallarlos. Okay, 1. We're gonna cut our cebolla in julianas. Again, in the pan, guys, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. This is gonna be really quick. Be careful also with the heat when you put the onions and los tomates y las cebollas, okay? Now we're gonna smash the aguacate. So we got the aguacate in half. We're gonna put it here in the bowl with a spoon. Help yourself with the spoon. Ya agregamos la cebolla, el tomate. It's gonna look like something like this. We're gonna add also the mango. I got the chile. Y el cilantro. Mezclamos muy bien. Great, guys, we're almost there. We already have our patacones ready and our guacamole. So now we just need to pour a little bit of the guacamole in the patacon. A little bit of balsamico, vinagre balsamico. Put your fingers like this, and then you just pimienta, and more pepper. And this is the final product. So now we already add a little bit of pepper, black pepper and chili flakes, and some balsamic It's gonna be a really good recipe for your parties or your family. It's really simple to do. It tastes amazing. So I really invite you to try it. It's really good. Leave your comments, your questions, everything that you want to know about this recipe, and I'll try to answer all of you guys. Also subscribe to our channel, the Una Spanish School, and yeah, we hope you enjoyed this as much as we did, and like the video also, and see you next time.